Welcome to Cuelist Tutorials. This tutorial will be on editing note properties. As you can see on this page, we have a number of annotations in addition to our cue. Those annotations include highlights, stamps, text, drawing, and image files. Any annotation on the page that is not a cue is considered a note, and those are dropped into a separate part of every layer, and they are editable individually. But just like our layers, the default properties can be edited from the layers menu. So if we go into the layers menu and we click on edit note properties, you will see a number of options here, and these options are all customizable on a layer by layer basis. The first are our font family, our size, and the quality of the font. The next option is the background. This is specific for our text notes and our stamps, and that will allow you to either have no fill on your background or a solid white fill that will cover anything underneath on the PDF. So you can choose that. Just like everything in our cue properties, our note properties are alterable on a layer by layer basis, but they're also, you can go in and change an individual note as you would like, which won't affect the default conditions. Next, you're going to see default line thickness. That's really the thickness of your drawing tool and any lines, and the default stamp size, and that's just to create a basis for any stamp. The next thing you're going to see here are 3 color options. Your primary color is going to be your text color on any text note, as well as the text in any stamps. In addition, that will change the color of your drawing tools. In your secondary color, that's going to refer to the outline of any stamp. And finally, the highlight color will be used specifically for your highlight tool. In all of these, you can choose the individual color that you would like, or you can simply match your layer color. So you can set that on a individual basis, but this will be the default, and your notes tools will default to those options every time. We will go into the creation of notes and the modification of notes in a future tutorial. Our next tutorial is going to be on active layers. Thanks for watching.